How to send money to someone on Revolut using their Revtag. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can send money to someone on Revolut using their Revtag. So to do that, first of all, open the Revolut app on your mobile device and then simply enter your passcode to log in. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to the official homepage of Revolut, where you'll have to simply tap on the transfer tab on the bottom side of the screen. Now you will be taken to this page where on the search bar you'll have to simply enter their Revtag. So simply enter the initials and then simply tap on the option so. Now once you find their Revtag, simply tap on it and then you'll have to tap on the option send. After that, you'll be taken to this page where first of all you'll have to enter your amount you want to send, and if you want you can also change the currency, but for now we'll simply leave it to pound. Now if you want you can also add an additional note, but if you don't you can simply skip this process. And as I don't have any money, I won't be able to send, but this is basically how you send money to someone using their Revtag on Revolut. Hope this video helped you guys out. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.